In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Smartsheet data to Docusign for signature. We'll walk through the full process from preparing your sheet to tracking the signed document so you can turn information stored in Smartsheet into a document that's ready to be signed without leaving your workflow. To get started, open Smartsheet and make sure the sheet you want to use is ready. This means your rows should already contain the data you plan to send into the document, and your columns should be clearly labeled so they're easy to recognize later during mapping. Taking a moment here to organize your sheet will make the rest of the setup much smoother and help avoid mistakes when fields are pulled into the document. Next, create a new fillable document template or open one you already have prepared. This document should include the fields you want completed with Smartsheet data, along with any signature or date areas that will be used during signing. If you're using an existing template, it's a good idea to quickly review it before moving on, just to confirm the fields are placed correctly and named in a way that will be easy to identify. Once your document is ready, use Document Builder in Smartsheet to begin connecting the sheet to that file. This is where you map your Smartsheet columns to the fields in the document. In other words, you're telling Smartsheet exactly which piece of sheet data belongs in each part of the form. Go carefully during this stage because accurate mapping is what ensures the final document is filled out correctly. When prompted, connect Docusign to Smartsheet. This authorization step allows the two platforms to work together so the generated document can be sent out for signature. After the connection is complete, continue through the setup and choose the recipient or signer fields. Here, you'll define who needs to receive the document and where the signature responsibilities belong. Make sure the signer details align with the correct fields in your workflow so the document reaches the right person. After everything is mapped and recipients are set, generate the document and send it for signature. At this point, Smartsheet will use the row data to populate the template and pass it into Docusign for delivery. Before sending, it's worth doing one final review to make sure the document looks accurate and complete. Once the document has been sent, you can track its status directly from Smartsheet. This makes it easy to monitor whether the document has been sent, viewed, or signed without manually checking across multiple tools. And that's how you use Smartsheet with Docusign to send documents for signature in a more streamlined, organized way.